मंजुलता कलानिधि से हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। मंजू जी, आपकी बारी है और आपके लिए आपसे हम ये जानना चाहेंगे बड़े ही क्रिस्प अंदाज में जो आपका है। ओके, आप सुनिएगा, ये बहुत अच्छी बातें करती हैं, टेड टॉक्स वगैरह मैं उनके बहुत सुनता हूं। आपके लिए जो हमारा क्वेश्चन है मैडम वो ये है कि मौजूदा दौर में जो हमारे नेशनलिस्ट जर्नलिस्ट हैं, माने वी नो ये चैनल देखना है तो उस पॉइंट पे ये व्यू आएगा, अगर आपको दूसरा व्यू पॉइंट देखना है शिफ्ट द चैनल। तो जर्नलिज्म से पेट्रियोटिज्म को डिफाइन करने के लिए आई आस्क मंजुलता कलानिधि जी, पेट्रियोटिज्म का एक और बात, जैसा मैं बोला था कि पेट्रियोटिज्म इज लविंग एंड सर्विंग द पीपल। द राइस बकेट चैलेंज की ये ओरिजिनेटर है, एक बकेट ऑफ राइस फॉर एवरी फैमिली विच इज स्ट्राइविंग विथ हंगर।
Thank you so much. Good afternoon, everybody. So, how many of you have mobile phones here? Come on, everybody has a mobile phone. You don't have? Okay, very good. That's why you're very attentive. Thank you so much. All right, so you heard Sirisha Raghavendra talk about she teams, right? So now I think about 300 people here have listened to what Sirisha has to say. But how about letting what Sirisha said, how about telling this to 10 lakh people of Hyderabad? Who does that job? Journalists. Yeah? Yes. So what Sirisha said today, what is the number of she teams? How to get in touch with them? How to report, a sexual harassment that you are undergoing? And should you report, suppose you are getting harassed in your office, do you have to tell it to she teams? No, actually you have to tell it in your office. It's called the internal complaints committee. So we here try to tell you what you can do when you are in times of distress. Suppose you see suppose you know of any trafficking victim, then ma'am Sunita Krishnan is the right person to talk to. So as a journalist, I'm a journalist. I'm with the New Indian Express, Hyderabad. I have about 18 years of experience. I don't know if many of you are older than that. Most of you must be younger than my work experience. So I've been a journalist all through, and it is the best profession in the world because I get to talk about all the wonderful people here in my newspaper, in through the YouTube, Twitter, social media, whatever else it takes. So I was listening to this panel discussion prior to this, where they were talking about, journalism is infested with criminals and people who are biased, giving you fake news. Yes, I do agree. But the only way to sort of fix that problem is for young girls like you to enter this profession. How many of you are excited to be a journalist? Any hands? Okay, so this is, okay, I see one or two. I think we need to do a lot of work before we make journalism a place where we can welcome young girls like you. So basically, my profession is something which sort of amplifies whatever is happening. It can be good, it can be bad. Of course, as journalists, there have been instances where some rogue journalists have highlighted things that should not be highlighted, have given more space and more time for their TRPs and other selfish motives. But there are also good journalists like me who hopefully are doing some good work and trying to tell people where you can go in terms of need and who to approach. What happens if she teams doesn't act on your case, right? I'm hoping there are no such things. But should you approach she teams and it doesn't work, then again, journalists are the people who you can come to and say, this is not working or this is not what I have expected. So we as a professional try to help you in every way possible, and the need of the hour is more journalists who are conscious of what they can give back to the country. I always feel that you don't have to be like a journalist or a DCP or a doctor or anything. You can be just you. Still try to be the right citizen. Follow the rules, be responsible, follow the traffic. Even just following what has been laid down by the Constitution, just following that itself means patriotism for me. So if it's not drink and drive, don't drink and drive. I'm sure you're all much younger than that. But in future, you will be there where you'll go for a party and people will say, अच्छा, no problem, yaar, kar do, kuch nahi hota, police करे तो थोड़ा इलायची खा लेना. They won't even test you. There are so many such tricks that happen. But just doing the right thing, you know, understanding what is responsible behavior, that itself can help you be patriotic. And if there's anybody who's interested in following up this career, please finish your graduation first. And then there are multiple colleges in Hyderabad and in Telangana and across India where you can apply for it, look for the notification, write the exam, and then there's a interview. After that, you can work for a TV channel. आजकल YouTube channels है, you can work for a print newspaper, and yes, journalists are paid on par with the software and IT sector. It helps you sort of give the voice to a lot of voiceless people. During COVID-19, I have worked every single day, even during lockdown, because we think that is the right time to reach out to all you people. So whether it is fake news about COVID, what is happening, where can you get help, are you hungry, who should you approach, if you are a migrant labor, how to go. So we are the people who have worked, and I'm so proud that lockdown has helped us to put our best this thing forward. So thank you so much for this opportunity. I know it's Monday, it's afternoon, and you're all hungry, so I'll keep it short. Please reach out to me on social media, Manju Kalanidhi. I'm on Instagram, I'm on Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, everywhere. Send a message. You want something to be written about, you yourself are an achiever, you are in trouble, reach out to me. Thank you so much.
Wonderful. It's always good to hear from a journalist. I think I would request Sirisha ji to kindly present a memento to Manjulata Kalanidhi. And because it is a very busy schedule for people like them, I think everybody, a huge round of applause for the lady in the uniform who has come and inspired all of us, Ji Sirisha ji and Manjulata Kalanidhi ji. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for gracing the occasions. We are so very happy